Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the 5 best spy cameras you can buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on size, features, and price. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for a spy cam for your home or office that will go undetected or a wearable spy cam that can record while on your body, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Divine Eagle Spy Camera Charger. This is our best USB charger spy camera. If you're looking for a spy camera that will blend seamlessly into your home or office to avoid detection, then the Divine Eagle Spy Camera Charger is one of the best options with its innovative design so it looks and functions like a normal USB phone charger. Currently priced at $37, the charger is an unassuming HD spy camera that is perfect for subtly keeping an eye on your valuables and making sure your loved ones are safe and secure. Straight out of the box, the Divine Eagle appears like any other USB adapter with a glossy plastic finish and a simple plug-and-charge design so it'll go completely unnoticed. The great thing is that despite being a fully functional 1080p camera, the USB charger actually works so you can discreetly record while charging your phone and no one will suspect anything. The charger can be set to 2 modes, motion or continuous, indicated by a switch on the power side of the device. On motion, it'll begin recording the moment any movement passes the camera, and on continuous, it can record up to 8 hours of HD video. But if you need something even smaller and even more discreet, then you definitely want to check out the VANVOUNE Spy Cam. It's one of the smallest spy cams available. The key features are recording, 1920 by 1080p recording quality without sound. Time, can record up to 8 hours of footage onto a 32GB micro SD card. The pros are detection. As the camera functions as a phone charger, even the skeptical will easily be fooled. Plug and play. Does not require any activation. Simply put in the SD card and plug it in to begin recording. Versatile. Continuous and motion options give you control over what you want recorded. And for the cons, positioning. Chargers are kept close to the ground, so getting a good angle can be tricky in some homes. If you're concerned something is amiss in your home or just want some added security that will catch offenders off guard, then the Divine Eagle Spy Camera Charger is a great choice with a subtle, intelligent design and great video quality that blends in any home or office environment so it goes completely unnoticed. The 4th product on our list is the VANVOUNE Spy Cam. This is our best, smallest spy cam. If you're looking for one of the smallest spy cameras available to discreetly capture video, then the VANVOUNE Spy Cam is only the size of a quarter and just half an inch thick, making it almost impossible to detect, making it the perfect spy cam for you. Currently priced at $50, the VANVOUNE Spy Cam is so small you can put it in almost any location and it stays hidden. It'll record all the action in full 1080p HD detail, capturing faces, license plates, and other vital details. You'll find it makes for a great nanny cam, pet cam, or you can use it to keep tabs on your household to watch over those you care about. Turn on its motion sensor function and simply put the VANVOUNE Spy Cam in a strategic position to capture any suspicious activities at the office, workplace, or business. This spy cam also has 2 infrared LED lights that automatically turn on when it's dark, allowing it to record up to 19 feet away in night vision mode. You'll find it really simple to use. Just one button click to record. That's it. There's a TF card slot, and the loop feature means you'll never run out of storage space. There's also a timestamp feature that is useful as proof of date in case of an incident or for detailed archiving of your recordings. The key features are recording, 1080p recording quality without sound, IR cut, automatically activates and deactivates night vision mode depending on the ambient light, loop video mode, never run out of storage space. The camera will write over the oldest footage when it runs out of space. The pros are size, one of the smallest spy cams on the market. Motion detection mode. Camera remains on standby until the motion sensor is triggered, then starts recording. Ease of use. One-click recording. Timestamp. Option to have your footage timestamped for archiving and proof of any incidents. And for the cons, battery. No rechargeable battery. If you're looking for one of the smallest spy cams available, then the VANVOUNE Spy Cam is only the size of a quarter and just half an inch thick, making it almost impossible to detect, making it the perfect spy cam for you to discreetly capture video. The third product on our list is the McStree Hidden Camera Clock. This is our best clock spy cam. If you're looking for a spy camera that you can leave in your home or office in plain sight that gives you easy access to your security feed from anywhere without arousing suspicion, then the McStree Hidden Camera Clock is a great choice for you. Currently priced at $60, the McStree is a smart clock camera that blends easily in any home with a simple design that won't invite any suspicion while also shooting 1080p video that can either be saved to a micro SD card or streamed straight to your phone. If you're concerned about subtlety, then you'll love the design of the McStree. With its dark black display screen, the camera lens is completely invisible, so you can be confident your camera will go undetected, and with its wide 140-degree angle camera, you'll easily be able to see the entirety of the room you set it up in. What really sets the McStree apart, though, is its Wi-Fi functionality. If you're away from home, you'll love the peace of mind you get from being able to connect with your smartphone at any time to make sure everything is all right. And with infrared night vision, even if the lights are off, your McStree keeps your home secure. You'll also receive notifications from the McStree's motion detection system, which will notify you if the camera detects movement during set hours, complete with snapshots. The key features are recording, 1920 by 1080p recording quality without sound. Time, 24/7 video streaming with stored hours matching the size of the micro SD of your choice. The pros are Wi-Fi. Connect to your camera anywhere in the world for a live feed of your home. Sensitive. Infrared sensor helps camera detect motion at any hour and notify you. Detection. Completely invisible lens will keep your camera undetected. And for the cons, alarm. The clock design is an alarm clock, but it does not have a functional alarm. If you want to keep an eye on things while you're not home or even at your office, then you'll love the McStree Hidden Camera Clock with Wi-Fi streaming so you can access from anywhere, nighttime notifications, and a subtle, hard-to-detect design. The second product on our list is the ehomful Body Camera. This is our best body spy cam. If you're looking for a spy camera that you can carry on your person and use to capture high-quality video and audio easily without detection, then the ehomful Body Camera is perfect for you because its easy clip design allows you to film discreetly at any time. Currently priced at $65, the ehomful is a fantastic, subtle body camera that clips onto clothing, bags, and more for easy capture, and with a compact design, you can get the footage you need without worrying about it being noticed. You'll love the ehomful's versatility with a length of only 4.4 inches and a black finish. It's concealed on dark clothing easily, especially in front pockets, or you can attach it easily to bags and backpacks with its convenient clip. It captures 1080p video and high-quality images. What sets the ehomful apart from most spy cams is you can record audio capture as well, making it great for meetings. The battery can handle up to 3 hours of recording, and it's compatible with micro SD cards of up to 64 gigabytes. When the time comes to extract your footage, you can simply remove the bottom of the camera and plug it directly into your PC's USB port, or you can remove the micro SD and insert it into your computer with the included card reader for direct, easy access. If you're looking for something that will avoid any suspicion or detection, you'll want to check out the MingSung camera video sunglasses coming up next. The key features are recording, 1920 by 1080p recording quality with decent audio quality. Time, up to 3 hours of continuous recording on a full charge and empty 32 gigabytes micro SD. The pros are hidden, easily disguised in clothing with its lightweight design and black finish. Photos, ability to take snapshots instead of lengthier recordings. Accessibility, convenient USB attachment makes extracting footage easy. And for the cons, light. While recording, a dim blue light flashes at the top of the camera, which could cause detection in darker lighting. If you're looking for a discreet, portable spy camera that can help you capture those moments that could be vital, then the ehomful Body Camera is a great option for you, with its simple, easily hidden design that captures great footage and snapshots with a single click of a button. The first product on our list is the MingSung Camera Video Sunglasses. This is our best sunglasses spy cam. If you're looking for a spy camera that will be with you wherever you go so you capture video footage without being noticed, then the MingSung Camera Video Sunglasses are a great option for you that provide discreet, high-quality recording at the press of a button. Currently priced at $65, the MingSung sunglasses are fantastic for subtly recording scenes, interactions, activities, and any situations that you'll need video recordings for later use without being noticed. You can even leave it on desks without attracting attention for recording when you leave the room. The stylish, comfortable design sits easily on your face, and the lenses have UV 400 protection, so you can easily replace your existing sunglasses. If something occurs that you want recorded, you simply reach up and press the button on the side, and from that point on, it's all captured in the microSD. The camera is located between the lenses of the glasses, so you'll have full control. If you're indoors or it gets darker, you can hang the glasses from your collar or in your shirt pocket and keep recording without arousing suspicion. The battery is good for up to 1.5 hours of continuous filming, and when you're done, you can connect the device to your PC via USB for quick, easy viewing within seconds, or you can remove the microSD for direct access. The key features are recording, 1920 by 1080p recording quality with decent quality audio. Time, up to 1.5 hours of continuous recording on a full charge and empty 32GB microSD. The pros are portable. Take your camera anywhere and record easily on the move while remaining discreet. Sound. The inclusion of audio capture makes these perfect for in-the-moment recording. Design. High-quality sunglasses that will invite little suspicion while recording. And for the cons, battery. Lack of battery indication can lead to missing vital recordings. If you want the freedom of capturing any moment as it happens, then the MingSung camera video sunglasses are a great option for you. With HD video and audio capture at the click of a button, taken from a discrete camera you can keep on you at all times, you'll never miss those vital moments. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now. So if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.